guys, this is Maya from Trade Labs, and today we're gonna have another video on price action trading strategies themselves, because this is something that is just really important for you guys to know for yourself in order to make informed decisions on the trading market itself. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Welcome back guys, this is Maya from Trade Labs, and like I mentioned in the intro, today we're gonna have another short recap of price action trading strategies applied on the XAUUSD trading market itself, just for you guys to understand and see more examples of price action trading patterns and the strategies themselves and how these can help you trade any kind of instrument without any kind of indicator. Now this is a very natural way of trading the XAUUSD market, where you can take the lead in order to understand the future trend of the market itself, and you can make informed decisions based on that price action trading strategy itself. So without further ado, I'm so excited to show you guys what today's chart looks like in order for you guys to see some more examples. Let's jump right in. Okay guys, so what you're seeing on the screen right now is just a snapshot of the XAUUSD trading market itself, and this is in a candlestick chart, a 1-minute chart that most of the traders are traditionally using in order to make informed decisions. Where are they? Because in my opinion, this is just a bunch of nonsense that nobody can actually understand. You are looking, especially if you're looking to trade gold, which is one of the trickiest markets you can play with. You are looking to have really clear market trends that you can base your strategies on. When you're talking about price action trading strategies and the price action trading patterns themselves, you need to see where the patterns are. You need to identify them on the chart itself. So therefore, something like this will definitely not help you understand that. You would need a chart that looks like this. A clear, straightforward chart that gives you all the information that you need in order to make the informed decisions on price action trading strategies themselves. Now that we have a clear chart that we can base our price action trading strategy on, we can start explaining what is price action trading strategies. What is price action trading? Now, by price action trading, I mean exactly that. We are looking at the price bars of that market in order to understand how the market is moving. Is it going up? Is it going down? If we have a series of consecutive green lines, of course the market is going up. If we have a bunch of consecutive red lines, the market is going down. This is what I mean by understanding the market itself. Now, step number 2 into price action trading strategies themselves, like I mentioned in my previous videos as well, is to identify the most important points of your market chart. By that I mean is to identify top dots or low dots in your market chart. And this can work wonders in the price action market strategies themselves. Why? Because this would give you information in order for you to identify further price action trading patterns. Now, what I drawed on this chart right here is falling top dots. And by that I mean I found and identified the red reversal bars in order to further use to identify the trend lines of this price action trading strategy itself. This will help us later on to identify price action trading patterns. However, at this point, we have done our most important job to identify the most important pivot points of today's snapshot of today's chart. Now, what you can do with this information is to further use in order to understand what the market will do next. So if we were to draw a line through each of these pair of top dots, we would notice similarities. For example, we have this trend line here, this trend line here, and another one right here. They have managed to identify the starting point of a trend change. It's just a matter for you to see which one you are looking at. Now, if we were to take only the latest trend itself, if we have this trend line already drawn, you would be able to identify next the starting point of a trend change, which is always followed closely by the price action trading patterns. What we did, just as a recap, we identified the most important pivot points of the chart itself, the falling consecutive top dots. We have drawn the trend line using the latest two top dots in order to understand what is the point that the market should break in order for us to have a signal to go in. That would be the price action trading pattern itself. So using that, we have identified the starting point of a trend change, and additionally we can also set the swing low, which is your stop. Just as a recap, we have understood the market itself and the chart. We have identified the most important pivot points and have identified the market structure itself. And third, we have managed and assessed our risk by putting in a stop loss. This is price action trading strategy at its finest. It's an really easy way for you guys to jump into the trading game without any kind of indicator, without any kind of fussy, really complicated strategies. This is in your face kind of information that just helps you identify starting point of trend changes just by using the chart itself with your own eyes, your own skills, and your own understanding of the chart itself. Okay guys, so that was it for today's video. I really hope I was really clear in terms of how to identify your price action trading patterns, and in order to deploy your price action trading strategies, what would be the tips and tricks, what would be the most important steps that you need to take and to tick off in order to successfully deploy this strategy. I really hope you found this video useful. If you did, then let me know in the comment section down below. But definitely price action trading strategies are something that anyone should know how to apply to their charts, just in case they don't have an indicator that can do that for themselves or they don't afford one. But as usual, we are here at Trade Labs to make your life easier, and if you are looking for something more automated to do this for you instead of you doing manually, then you can have a look at the indicators that we have on our side, created especially for you. Speaking of which, if you'd like to try our new trend trading indicator, then click the link below and sign up for a free trial. That being said, I really hope you enjoyed today's video, you guys, and found it informative and really good for you and your trading skills. If you did, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and if you're not already, please consider subscribing by clicking on the subscribe button down below. That's it for me today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.